Hey guys, good morning. So today is supermarket day. So I'm heading on the road. I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to the meat shop. I'm gonna see if I can get few things in Bashco. I'm gonna see. I'm not sure, but definitely the meat shop and the supermarket. Yeah, that's for today. So I'm taking you guys along with me. So let's go. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified, okay? Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_burrell. So let's go. I have a package. I have a package for pickup, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna reach out there. So, but let's see. So come along. Let's go.
You good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Go, white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah, okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we could do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack a window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say, what's my name? 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 Everybody knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. Boy, you stay up on it.
I know why them still have this Spanish shell and then recall this. You should have this Spanish shell and then already recall them. Now buy them. Hey guys, I am home. So I'm gonna do my monthly grocery haul. I went to the supermarket, I went to the meat shop, and I grabbed some stuffs in Bashco. So stick around for that because I know that you guys love my grocery hauls. And yeah, this one is a huge haul. Yeah, I think it's a huge haul. You know, back to school is coming up, and yeah, it's end of month. Monday, I think, is September 1st. So you guys know I shop for the coming month, right? So I'm shopping for September. All right, so yeah, let's go. All right, so you guys know what time it is. The first thing that I'm gonna unbox is meat shop stuffs. I have them right here and them a drip, so I'm just have to hurry up and show you guys, okay? So I bought saltfish. This is 2 pound of saltfish. I buy 2 pound of saltfish because I love look about saltfish with baked bean, saltfish and cabbage, callaloo, pap chow, everything. So 2 pound of saltfish fish serve me, right? What is, I bought chicken breasts, 3 pound of chicken breasts. I bought beef in a drip, so that's 3 pound of stew beef. So 3 pound of stew beef, 3 pound of chicken breasts. I bought fish as well. I have to hurry up because the drip. So 5 pound of sliced fish, and I also got 5 pound of mixed parts. Yeah. I did want red snapper fish, but I didn't get any. So this is the 5 pound of mixed parts. I didn't get any red snapper fish, so I got the beef, mixed parts, chicken breast, saltfish, and the fish. I wanted what else I did want? Oh, I wanted the chicken neck, so I can look for some chicken neck soup. But instead, I just take the chicken breast. Can look for some soup tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in the freezer and come back. Alright guys, so for the meat shop, I always shop at Master Mac, right? And everything from the meat shop that I just showed you guys, everything came up to $10,392. Yeah, so as I said, I got the sliced fish, I got the mixed parts, I got the stew beef, saltfish, and the chicken breast. All right, so let's unbox things I got from Bashco. All right guys, I also went to my shipping company, and those stuffs I'll unbox in another video. But for now, let's go with the Bashco stuffs. I bought 2 plates. We have a lime, what do you call this? A lemon squeezer, or I can put a lime in it. Yes, so I got this. I bought a knife set. I got myself some cups. And I also got some glass. I got 4 glass. I got 2 purple and 2 red. Yeah, my glass them broke, so I have to buy glass. I buy teacup, but not in Bashco, and it's in another bag. So everything I just showed in Bashco, and it came to $4,224. Yeah, so let's go and unbox my groceries. All right guys, so as I normally telling you the things them in a order, so anything me see, me take up and me show. All right, so here I have cheese, corn on the cob, 2 reggae jamming burgers, and chicken nuggets. I'm gonna put these in the fridge because them a drip. All right, so I have a paper towel, case of tissue, Revive Fab soap, cooking oil. Guys, I bought myself another toilet seat. I don't know one to them toilet seat. I don't know. The toilet seat when I get in there, so right now something broke off. I don't know one to the toilet seat them nowadays. I don't understand. So I'm open this one now. I'm bother with the foolishness. Oh. This one I'm bother with the foolishness. So toilet seat. Alright, so in this bag I got a cute potty for my papa. Yeah, for my son. Potty training time now, so this is one cute potty. I'm sure him father and him father said to buy it, so I bought it. And it's so cute. Wait. It's so cute. When we finish, me set it up, and then it come with the handle and all of that. I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to show you a video how it stays. So, yeah. Potty training time now for Papa. I have a box right here. And, come over, look at it. Alright, in this box, I have bleach. Dettol, dishwashing liquid, pad, garbage bag. I buy 3 pair soap, a big downy, big Suavitel, and I get 4 car air freshener something. So I get the green apple, and them say this a vanilla. Yeah. You see with them here now? Me tell you something. And you can try it. You can try it and let me know. Okay? You see them here now? Even though they say if you go in a car, honestly, see if you hang up this in your bathroom or some part of your house, trust me, your house are gonna smell good, or your bathroom are gonna smell good, and it go last. So you can try it, believe me. Yeah, you have the apple. Last time I bought the strawberry. Yeah, and now them say this are the vanilla. I never tried the vanilla yet, but I'm gonna try the vanilla. But you see the apple and the strawberry, nice. You can try it, even though they say I care or something. But honestly, if you put it in your bathroom, just hang it up somewhere. Not tell us say you have a smell good. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys, I have a big box down here, so can't lift it up. So I just show you what I want. Alright, so first I have baking soda, about 2 teacups in the supermarket, not Bashco, but in the supermarket. I bought a case of True Juice. This is the apple flavor, apple. And I bought this cute little water bottle for Mia to carry to school. Cute, right? Yeah, this is so pretty and she loves it. And inside it comes with the straw, and you know you have the something we can hold the handle. She can put it on her neck or something. So it's so cute. I love it, and she loves it too. As I look at the media, look on it in the supermarket. One video did the media look on it in the supermarket, and yeah, so cute. I'm a sweat. I also got a water dispenser. I get the electric one or the automatic one. Because sometimes I'm tired to press down the other something for the water come out. So this, I guess I can just touch it and the water come out. Right. And as me telling you all the while, as me telling you all the while, when I go to supermarket, I just have to buy a shower curtain. And nowadays, I start by the cloth shower curtain where I can just wash and reuse, because some of them, plastic one them easy to tear up and all of that. So I get into the cloth ones. And guys, look at this one, it's so beautiful. I really love this. Yeah, this pattern is so cute and nice, guys. So more the advice on if you not buy shower curtain, don't buy the plastic one, buy the cloth material. So once it wash, it can reuse. Okay, you know, say plastic one them once you wash it, it crush up and not look good, or it tear up, and we're not in that. So make sure you buy the cloth shower curtain. We're not go for buy shower curtain again. Okay, yes, that's right. All right, so right here I bought cayenne pepper. Yeah, cayenne pepper, mayonnaise, salt, Maggi jerk seasoning. I bought the chicken bouillon, big chiffon butter, peppermint tea bag, Lasco, about 6 Lasco. So I have almond and vanilla, 6. About this macaroni shell, yeah. Alright, so right here I have tin milk, about 4 tin milk. I have my corned beef, about how much corned beef may I buy? 2, 4, 6 corned beef may I buy, yeah. Apple J, about 3. I have my Ensures, about 6 of this. You know, I have my Supplegen, about 6. Cran juice, about 3 of this. Big vanilla, liquid vanilla, vinegar. Mac and cheese, about 4 mac and cheese. Guys, I'm not buy no rice, I'm not buy no flour, I'm not buy no sugar. Rice from about, from about 3 months ago or so, yeah. From before June, or the shopping that I did for June, about 25 pound of rice, 25 pound of flour, and a big something of sugar. So I'm gonna buy rice, I'm gonna buy flour, I'm gonna buy the sugar, because I have them there already. The vinegar just done, I'm gonna buy vinegar, I'm gonna have to buy ketchup because I already have ketchup. Alright? Yeah. Right, I have another big box down here. I can't lift it up, so I'm just gonna show you. Alright, so ginger beer, about 3. I have my Malta, I buy 3 Malta. Lime juice, cran water, the small ones, about 6 of this. I have my big Tropicana fruit punch, and my big apple juice, 2 Kisco. Alright guys, may I get hotter now. Anyways, I bought this Ben 10 book for my papa, so he can color and go on with himself, yeah. So it's a chocolate chip, so I got 3. Everything now I'm showing you a 3 some of them. So 3 chocolate chip, 3 Ruffles, Fun C, Bridge, oatmeal, onion rings, Chips Ahoy, 3, 4 bun, 3 tea biscuit, the small ones. I have a festival, as me say, I call them here parrot biscuit, so I got 3 red, and I also got 3 yellow. Big tea biscuit, about 3. I have Club Social, Ovaltine, about 6 of this. Plantain chips, 3. The vanilla bridge, about 3 also. As me say, in my household, we love crackers. As the penny them wake up a morning time, them want crackers, and if I go drink my tea, I have my crackers. So I bought 2 small butter crackers, about 2 big ones, and for my papa about wheat biscuit. So I buy 2 pack of wheat biscuit. I never buy it before, so I'm going to try and with it. Yeah. Alright guys, the last thing I have right here is 2 combo packs. Right. So that is everything. I never remember to buy egg because I need a tray of egg. So I'm going to get that tomorrow at the shop. And what else? What else may I get? Me get everything what me need. Yeah, me get everything what me need. So just the egg. Oh, I did one buy a bag of bag juice, but that never worked. Oh, that at least still I did one buy a bag of bag juice. But anyways, that's everything from my grocery shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this video a thumbs up. Remember to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to what? Tell a friend, okay? Send them over to this channel. And yeah, I hope you like my content and all of that. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you stay and enjoy all my contents, okay? So yeah, that's everything. What else I have to tell you now? May not have not to tell you now, but come back for my next video, okay? Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_burrell. The package that I collected today, I'll do that unboxing in another video. And what else? That's it, guys. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.